Hi everybody, welcome to Dreamframer Photography. Today we are talking about the tax form that you have to submit if you're selling photos online. First of all, I want to mention that I'm not a professional tax advisor, so if you need a professional help, the best way to get it would be to contact the support team of the website where you're selling photos. All the websites who have offices in the United States and need to report taxes have a team dedicated just for tax purposes. For example, on Shutterstock, this is the contact email: taxhelp@shutterstock.com. I received a lot of your emails recently asking me, why do I need to fill out the tax form, which tax form to choose, and how do I fill it out? So let me try to answer those questions for you. Every stock photo website based in the United States needs to report their earnings to the government so they can pay taxes, just like any other company based here or any other person who lives in the United States. They also need to send you your earnings made on their website so you can pay your taxes. They will also send your earnings to the government so the government can compare their tax report with your tax report, and that's why you have to fill out the tax form. Now let's see which tax form you need to fill out. There are three possible scenarios, and we're going to take a look at those on the example of Shutterstock. Scenario number one takes place if you are selling images on Shutterstock and at the same time you are a US citizen or a resident alien. In that case, you have to fill out the form W-9, and Shutterstock will send you the full amount of earnings without withholding taxes. However, at the end of the year, you have to report your earnings to the government and pay your taxes according to your total income. Scenarios number 2 and number 3 are kind of similar because they both relate to people who are citizens or residents of other countries and not United States. And both of these groups have to fill out the form W-8-BEN. The difference between scenarios 2 and 3 is that these people who live in other countries can live in a country that has a so-called tax treaty with the United States, or they can live in a country that doesn't have tax treaty with the United States. Tax treaty is basically a contract between two countries, let's say country number 1 and country number 2, which allows citizens of country number 1 to, let's say, make sales in country number 2 and avoid paying double taxes in both countries. I'm sure you can easily find out on Google if your country has a tax treaty with the United States, and if it does, you will benefit from 0 to reduced tax withholding from Shutterstock, and that's our scenario number 2. Scenario number 3 takes place if you live in a country that doesn't have any tax treaty with the United States. In that case, Shutterstock will deduct 30% for all your images sold to United States customers for tax purposes. However, you will get the full amount for all your images sold to customers outside of the United States. So, the conclusion is, if you are a citizen of the United States or a resident alien, fill out the form W-9. If you are a citizen or resident of another country, fill out the form W-8-BEN. Also, if you are filling out the form W-9, you will need to fill out your social security number. However, if you are filling out the form W-8-BEN, you will not need the tax ID number or TIN or ITIN. Just one more thing, I don't know if you guys know, but aside from photography, I also like to create music. When I edit my photos, I like to listen to some relaxing music and nature sounds. So, I created a new YouTube channel, and I'm gonna link it in the description of this video, or you can click on the card that showed up now on this video, and you can check it out. Let me know what you think, and if you like it, subscribe to that channel too. That was it for now. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, press that like button or leave a comment in the comment section below. See you next time. Bye.